2012 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, cloth bucket seats, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Your new ride is just a phone call away.